Here, number 9, describe and write the rule for each of the rotations. We have our 3 major rotations down here, so we're just going to use those for reference. Okay. All right, so let's grab a point. So let's grab the original. Let's say we grab, R. R was originally -1, 3. Then it became R prime of 1, 2, 3, 3, +1. Right? So it looks like the X and the Y swaps, and then the X changes value. So it's negative that. Okay? So from here to here, it looks like that is just a 90-degree clockwise rotation. Right? Does that match up? The X value changes. That does match up. Next, let's grab T. So T's original point is 1, 2, 3, 4. -4, -3. Then it becomes T prime at 4, 3. So it looks like the point X, Y changes sign. Right? The negatives all became positive. So this one, right, there's a 90 plus another 90, that is a 180. So we can say it's a 180-degree rotation. C. I'm going to grab the original point here, T. T, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1. It becomes now T prime. T prime is 1, 2, 3, -3, -1. Okay, looks like X, Y did swap because Y, X. What changes value? Wait, hold on. Dude, okay, did I mess up? T, -3, 1. Good. And oh, it did not swap. It just changes sign. It's -X and -Y. Ooh, that's a from here it is 90, then here it is another 90, so it's a 180. So here we can say it's a 180 rotation. Right. Okay, let's look at H. H is 1, 2, 3, 4, -4, 1, and it became H prime of +4, -1. Again, this one also changes sign. So it is -X, -Y. So here, it validates it again. From here to here, it goes here, it's a 90. From here, it's another 90, so it's 180. So it's a 180-degree rotation. All right.